Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I last recorded and I'm really sorry about that. If you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you know that I had my baby about 2 months ago. In April 6th, it's about to be 2 months and I had no time to record. And the little time I did have, which was when she napped, all I wanted to do was nap because I was so exhausted. Today I'm going to be telling you guys about my labor and delivery, and I'm going to be eating Church's chicken. I have this huge bag of goodies. I got the family meal, so I have a whole bunch of stuff. Starting with a large macaroni and cheese, mashed potatoes, and I told the lady to give me all the sauces, so I have a whole bunch of sauces. I got ketchup, ranch, honey sauce, and the hot sauce Church's Chicken Texas Pete. Let me put these all here. I have here some jalapeno cheese peppers. I can't wait to try this. And here I have the 4 honey biscuits. I have more sauces. Now let me taste it. This is good. I'm sorry if you hear birds chirping. I have my window open. Let me try these jalapeno. I don't know if I'm supposed to, if it tastes better with something on it. Wow, that is, holy crap, that is so spicy. Wow, I've never had these before, so please don't judge me, because I know some people don't think this is spicy at all. But holy, I love mac and cheese. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys about my labor and delivery. It was Wednesday night and I had this really big headache. I just thought it was like a regular migraine, like no big deal, like it was just a headache. So it was around 10 p.m. and I just decided like to sleep it off. But I would actually wake up in the middle, like periodically through the night, because it was really bothering me. Initially I thought it was just a strain, because I was on that same day I was crying because something happened to my car. You know, when you cry a lot, your head starts hurting or your eyes start hurting. So I really thought that was the cause of the migraine. But when I woke up the next day, I just threw up. And that was the first time I threw up throughout my whole pregnancy. I was 35 weeks. When I got out the bathroom, I told my husband to take me to my mom's. I didn't even want to go to the hospital because honestly, I never go to the hospital. I haven't been to the hospital since I was like 7 years old. Normally when something's wrong, I go to my mom and she gives me like a natural remedy. So I told them, take me to my mom's, and I called my mom. I told her I'm coming, and honestly, I don't even remember how I got to the car. Next thing, I was already in the hospital. I just hear the doctors like talking, and my mom was there. She was the one who took me. And let me get a bite of this. My OBGYN came and she told me that I had preeclampsia. On top of that, I had pneumonia. So my lungs were filled with water. So she basically said that the baby was the cause of all of this. And that we needed to do the C-section so to get the baby out and so I could get better. As you guys know, I was due May 10th and I gave birth to her April 6th. So she was around a month early. So she told me everything was going to be alright, that I just had that, it was the baby's fault. And then minutes later, another, I don't know, this random doctor just came in. And then it was like he was a like real life Google, because he told me, oh, you probably have heart failure, you possibly have diabetes. So he just like hyped everything up. Meanwhile, my OBGYN is over here telling me, oh, everything's gonna be alright. So he was like, we have to test you out for that. Throughout that day, I got a fever. My eyes were still dark. I couldn't see anything. When I had to use the bathroom, I actually had to like hold on to people to take. So I had to hold on to like my mom so that she could take me to where the toilet was, because I couldn't see anything, literally. They ended up inserting a tube so that I could just pee straight from bed. I don't have to like get up or anything, but that was just to get my the liquid out of my lungs. So Friday came and we basically did the C-section. I was still feeling like crap. I was still taking antibiotics. And at this time, I actually regained my vision. So I could see better. I could see almost everything clear. But the only thing now is that I see like dots within my vision. So I would see like little dots when I looked at things. In my head I was like, oh, it's gonna get better, you know, nothing's gonna happen. So we went ahead and did the C-section. They gave me like this liquid. I don't know what it was really, but they gave me a small cup of liquid and I had to drink it all at once, because it tasted that bad. So they were just like, gulp it. So I gulped it all and I don't even know what it was, but that thing got me super nauseous. Like my head was like, the room was like spinning basically. And The C-section took about, what, 20 minutes? 30 minutes? And let me show you guys a picture of when the baby came out. I was like super dead. Because I literally like threw up probably like 2 minutes after the baby came out. Because I don't know what that liquid was. Let me see here. I was literally just like laying there. Hopefully the light doesn't interrupt it, but hopefully you could see that. But you know how normally like moms are like smiling and they have like this family picture of when the baby first comes out. I couldn't even open my eyes because I was super dizzy. So Saturday came and everything was so much better. I went down to see the baby. I could have actually enjoyed her. I still stayed in the hospital for about a week because of my C-section, and they wanted to release me, but the baby had to stay in NICU. She was in NICU for 20 days because she had DSATs. If you don't know what that is, that's when they eat and they can't breathe and they hold their breath in, so they end up choking. But thankfully the baby was good. The DSATs are normal when it comes to premature babies because they are premature. So it wasn't something super major. This mac and cheese is so good. I'm gonna bring her in a few minutes so you guys can see her. Once I'm done. You know what sucks is that same week I had her, we were gonna do her baby shower and we were going to take pictures. But literally all of that was canceled. We had nothing. We bought nothing for her because we were waiting for the baby shower, and you know, we were gonna see what we got, and what we didn't get we were just gonna buy it because we didn't want to spend a lot of money and then receive it in the baby shower. So we literally had nothing for her. Thankfully our friends and family came through, and you know, they got everything. All the major things that we really needed. Thank God for that, because we were not prepared when it came to that. I'm sad that I have all these sauces and I don't know what to use it on. I guess I'll use this honey one for the biscuit. Honey sauce. Do we use this for the biscuit? Yeah. Honey sauce? I'm just gonna have one more, but that's it. Oh my gosh. All right. Never mind. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I'm disappointed because I can't even taste the cheese in this.
What cheese?
They're supposed to have cheese inside.
Really?
Well, they do, but like a little bit. You can't taste it. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't even have a bite of that.
Cereal?
So my next video will be with my husband. That is super long overdue, I know. It's either going to be a Q&A or a husband tag, one of those. If you guys want, you could leave me questions or leave him questions in the comment box, but I'm thinking of going live and just screenshot the questions there and then just do a video. Alright guys, here she is. Hopefully you guys can see a glimpse of her. But she just fell asleep. I don't want to wake her up. We decided to go for the name Giselle, and she weighed 4 pounds 12 ounces. Thank you guys so much for watching. For everyone who has stayed while I was gone, thank you so much. As I said, my next video will be with my husband. It's either Pizza Hut or Colombian. I don't know. If you guys want, you can leave your suggestions down below also. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video.